By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the major components of a balance sheet. Let's learn how to read financial statements and interpret notes to financial statements. The balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flows spell out in black and white how well a company is doing financially. Let's first look at the balance sheet. A balance sheet is like a snapshot. It records how a company stands financially at a particular point of time by showing the company's assets, liabilities, and stockholders' equity. An example of a balance sheet for Wild Thing Meatpacking Company is provided on screen. Now that you are aware of the meaning of a balance sheet, let's learn how to prepare them. Read on to find out how balance sheets are prepared. Why would a company choose a date other than December 31st for the end of its fiscal year? At the end of the fiscal year, the company must count its inventory so that it can be sure to put the correct amount on the balance sheet. If a company has inventory, there are certain seasons of the year when it is easier and cheaper to count every single item of inventory. Take a look at the example provided on screen for a better understanding. Many companies have interim accounting periods to track their financial health. Monthly balance sheets or reports are circulated internally. Publicly owned companies are required to issue quarterly reports to the financial press and the public. Let's go item by item through the elements of the balance sheet. We'll start with the left side, assets. Look at the assets column of the balance sheet. The first group of assets listed here are the current assets. They include cash or other items that can be readily converted into cash, such as inventory and short-term marketable securities. Current assets are spent within the company's operating cycle. The operating cycle begins when a company pays cash to buy the raw materials needed to provide its goods and services and ends when its customers pay the company. Select each highlighted number on the operating cycle to see what it involves.